We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was within this down move, we mentioned the way the price is dropping because of the news. Then beside that, we mentioned since we have been looking for this correction, we mentioned if we get a reversal, we can look for trade buy if we get any trade setup. But we mentioned we can expect to get the correction before we get the reversal. Anyway, right now we want to see whether this one is a reversal or this is a correction for one more drop. In this case, we move to daily chart. As you can see, based on daily chart, we get this down move. That means any reversal, we will be more interested to look for buy. We want to put this one in relative to any of this. And in this case, we move to forward chart. And based on forward chart, the only thing is if we get any reversal, we're looking for continuation. If this one turns to a deeper correction, we can expect this one turn to a more complex and deeper corrective move. And even if we refer to the indicators, we put this one in relative to the previous one. MACD doesn't show us a divergence. The only thing is the second indicator showing me the divergence. That's why made this one give us a trade for buy, but it's short term. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. We want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. And even based on 1 hour chart, technically, we can look at this one as a flat, as a 1, 2, 3, and this two in relative to this for bigger flat in relative to this for one more drop. But how about this? Whether this is a reversal or short-term trade to look for buy. Still, we can look for buy in case this is the start of the up move, because as we know, the price drop because of the news and we get the correction. And this is the only correction relative to this down move, and this is the start of the buy up move. Okay, the first thing is if we want to look for buy, let this one turn to a deeper correction. How about if the price sharply continue from here? Maybe we can have entry above this. Okay, if I put my line here, entry above this. All right, but what we want to price sharp, because in that case we consider this one as a flag. We want price break and continue as a short move. If price tag we see is not moving within the first hour, we take out the trade. That's why having entry above this is really risky, because still this one is a turn to a flat. No, it depends on the traders whether they want to take this trade or not, but this one we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. But again, still we can expect this one move a bit higher, give us one more drop because of this flat. Okay, and how about if the price continue from here, we didn't get any trade setup from here, maybe we wait for the next correction of lag, then from there we take the trade, because we want to see the breakout of this corrective move and we confirm the price for the reversal. All right, and right now, if any trade we get from here, we consider as a short term. Technically, if this is what we have flat. All right, either the price drop or not, we cannot confirm, but if the price drop, we can look for the divergence as well with the breakout of the previous low. Then any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation. Okay, then trade from here, we can take it, but we consider as a short-term trade, because even if we can take the trade from here, in the stop loss should be below this. In terms of the risk and reward, do we want to take this trade, or we prefer to get one more drop, then we get the trade set up after the breakout of this? Okay, again, it depends on the traders, and this one is not a really good trade setup unless this one turns to a deeper correction. But anyway, we can consider as a short-term trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. And beside that, whoever get the trade from here, there was no, unless there was a trade setup based on lower time frame, whoever get the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we don't have, what we have the short-term trade, but the best things is, again, we're looking at this flat. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.